As I have an engineering background, I started programming with C, then I went to MATLAB and eventually Python.
I usually use MATLAB, C, and C++, but for data science, I use Python.
R and Python.
R.
I'm an R evangelist. I was at the USAR conference last year, and I think it's got one of the best communities. I'm also very fond of SQL, and I think people don't spend enough time appreciating it in its various incarnations.
I primarily work with R and Stata. I do not work a lot with big data, so for the kind of data sets I have, there are a few million observations, even hundreds of millions of observations, and I can work with the existing Stata and R and SPSS. I don't have a problem with it. But as I said, if I were to work with large data sets, I would use different tools. My preferred tools are the three: R, Stata, and SPSS. I also work with spatial data a lot. So these are data sets which have a geographical component to it. So imagine 40 million Californians, and 40 million people, some of them in California, some of them in the neighboring states. And what if I know the exact home address of each and every one of them and where they work? And that would be an amazing GIS, or a spatial geographic information systems database. So I do work with those as well. And my tool that I use is called Maptitude and MapInfo. These are the two I use the most.